Alright, if your inbox is getting out of control, yeah, labels and filters are what fix that. In this full guide, I'll show you how to use labels and filters in Gmail to automatically organize your emails, step by step. So labels in Gmail are basically like smart folders, but better, because you can add multiple labels to one email. For example, one email can be both work and important at the same time. To create a label, scroll down the sidebar and click More, then Create New Label. Give it a name, like Work Clients or Receipts. Now, select an email, click the label icon at the top, and choose your label. Done. Alright, this is where things get powerful. Filters let Gmail automatically organize emails for you. Click on Create Filter, then choose your condition, like emails from a specific sender, subject, or keywords. Now decide what Gmail should do. You can apply a label, skip the inbox, mark as read, or even star the email automatically. You can also apply the filter to existing emails. Just check that option before creating it. If you ever need to change something, go to Settings, then Filters and Blocked Addresses. You can edit or delete filters anytime. Best setup, combine both. Use filters to automatically apply labels, so your inbox stays organized without any effort. And yeah, that's how you use Gmail labels and filters like a pro. Set it up once, and your inbox basically organizes itself.